In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear all Safari tabs on your iPhone on iOS 16. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up Safari browser, and from here you can tap on that two squares icon to open up all your currently opened tabs, and from here you can simply switch between them. Just tap on that tab, and from here in that way you can simply switch between them. But if you want to close any of that tab, all you have to do is swipe over to the left on that tab to close it, so you can in that way close tabs one by one. Or if you want to close all the tabs at once, all you have to do is go out of here, just tap on Done, and from here you can hold down on that icon. It gives you that options, and here you can select Close all 5 tabs. Then confirm it, and that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.